Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
What happens when Gulab Jamun meets Seviyan? Well, they combine and become Gulab Jamun Seviyan. How? Let me show you. And let's start with the recipe. First, water from any natural source, 500 ml. Remember the ratio. Cinnamon, freshly grounded, 4 grams or 4 pinch only. Remember the ratio of water. Cardamom, crushed, 4 or more as per your taste. Add to the water. Allow the mix to boil. Well, miss something? Really? Have I? No, not at all. Watch. Just wait and watch. Now let's bring on a kadai, skillet or a wok. Some desi ghee as per as your taste, but keep it very little. Remember the Gulab Jamun? Keep desi ghee very little. Seviyan or Seviyan, Senia, vermicelli by any name. Remember the ratio of water to Seviyan must be 5:1. Now roast the Senia well till color changes and a nutty or a woodish fragrance starts to fill the air. Be patient, stir. Add the water, cinnamon and cardamom mix. Remember the ratio. Stir intermittently, but stir. Stir constantly at regular intervals. Allow the water to come to a boil, which it will slowly. Allow it. Keep stirring constantly till half of the water has been absorbed and the water has come to a boil. Now the Seviyan has softened considerably by now and allow the water to boil. Keep stirring, remember. Now for the Gulab Jamun, 9 or more as per as your taste. Mash the Gulab Jamuns well, really well, and there should be no lumps. If any lumps, mash them or remove them. Now when done, add the mashed Gulab Jamuns and mix till Gulab Jamuns has completely merged with the Seviyan and cook till the flavors of Gulab Jamun and Seviyan have infused well and Seviyan caramelized. Keep stirring lightly, occasionally, and a beautiful fragrance fills the air by now. When it does, Gulab Jamun Seviyan is ready. It's done. Add cashew nuts or dry fruit. Stir well. The quantity of dry fruits or cashews is as per as your choice. Switch off the flames and tasted Gulab Jamun Seviyan, remarkably unbelievable and beyond imagination. Now serve and enjoy Gulab Jamun Seviyan with all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.